My name is Marta Antonelli. I'm a biochemist. I received my PhD degree at the Faculty of Pharmacy and Biochemistry at the University of Buenos Aires. My area of research is neuroscience, and I've been working mainly in different pathways of neurotransmitter pathways in the brain, because my interest was to know how the brain works. And at the very beginning I started working with animals, specifically with rats, and working on this dopaminergic neurotransmission. And then we were interested in knowing what happened to this neurotransmission when the mother was stressed during pregnancy. In this case, were the rats were stressed, and then we follow up the offspring for a long time to see what differences it had, on their development. And this changes, a lot of changes that we saw, not only on behavior and biochemistry, molecular levels. So this prompted us to try to see what happened in the humans. We tried to contact people at one of the maternities in Argentina to make a clinical research, but we couldn't get funded. And then is when I knew about this program in Germany that was taking care of mothers from the very beginning, pregnant mothers. I contacted Dr. Schneider at that time at the Klinikum Rechthe-Risser here in Munich, and he contacted me with Dr. Lobmeier, which is an obstetrician at the Klinikum, and we both together developed this project on humans. I obtained this Hans Fischer Senior Fellowship to develop the project. The project is related to the developmental outcome of children whose mothers were stressed, psychological stress, let's say, psychosocial stress that they suffered during pregnancy. And so we measure this stress in the mothers, and then we follow up the children. And we did both some tests we wanted to see how the autonomic nervous system was working, if there was any epigenetic changes, and if there were behavioral changes in these children. And this is what we really found. I mean, there were changes in the autonomic nervous system, changes in the epigenetics. Some genes were methylated in a different way. Then we obtained changes in the development, in the behavior of the children when they get to 2 years old. Now we are developing a new project in which the mothers that we know that are stressed, we will put them in a program with yoga and mindfulness to see if we can decrease the level of stress and revert all the negative outcome of the stress that they suffered. No, it is not only the TUM and the Institute that was very welcoming, but also the possibility of meeting so many people from different countries and different backgrounds. And this has also been an opportunity to make even friends here in Germany, and in the people, also fellows from the Institute. So it has been really very, very enriching, absolutely experience.